Hello and welcome to Jillies Nails, or welcome back to Jillies Nails, whichever one works for you. Today we are doing a super cute set of quick, easy stamped nails for the end of summer if you like. The first color we're going to grab is Amazon Woman from Sinful Colors. The next one is Sky Blue. It is a bundle monster polish, so it is an older one I have, and then Chrysalis. I also changed up from Chrysalis to Pencils Down from the Schools Out Maniology collection. So you might want to check that one out too. And please make sure that you subscribe, give it a like, ring your bell so that you don't miss any new videos, because I have them coming out left and right, and Halloween is coming up, y'all. You do not want to miss Halloween from this girl. I go a little crazy for some Halloween nails. So the first thing that we did is I went through and used a peel off base coat, UNT, and put that down and let it dry on all the nails. As you can see, compared to some of my recent videos, these are shorter nails. They have grown out since then, but I still had this one tucked away, so I thought I'd go ahead and pop it in the queue before, you know, summer was completely gone. I'm gearing up. I'm ready for Halloween. I need to be inspired, and I need some Halloween nails for that. Those are how I started my channel, so really my 2-year anniversary is coming up. We're top coating here, by the way. And I am really excited to do some nails. I think I'm going to do some mani makeovers from some old ones that I did a couple years ago that I know I could do better now, and some original content too. So I haven't decided if I'm going to run the whole month of September up into October, or just kind of start in late September to October. I'm probably going to start it early. I'm dying for Halloween. I can't take it. And you know what? If everybody can move Christmas and Thanksgiving up, I mean, Christmas crap comes out before Halloween, which is just blasphemy. So I am ready for it. I'm ready for Halloween. What I'm doing is showing here how you can use bigger images on short nails. So often people say, oh, I need tiny images. I need little tiny images. I need plates that just have tiny images. No, you don't. You can use bigger images as long as you pick the right ones. Like the one that my finger is on right now would be horrible for short nails, because those images are kind of big and it's going to cover the whole nail. But if you can go into these bigger sections and grab little pieces here and there that you need for it, yes, you're going to have to tap it off on a, lint roller or some things like that. But you can easily take these bigger designs and make them work on shorter nails. Everybody acts like short nails can't have cute nail art. Yeah, they can. It's not that hard to get it that way. You just have to be a little bit creative and a little more willing to experiment, I guess. And this is where I switched to Pencils Down. That color Chrysalis was just not coming out right. And if you see my other hand, I do have this manicure still saved. It's in a fail folder, but if you want to see it, I will show it to you. It's just did not come out how I wanted at all, but I did figure out, I think, how to fix it. So if you want to see that, let me know, and I'll post that video too before all the Halloween madness officially starts. This Pencils Down worked much better for this. It was much brighter on this manicure than Chrysalis would have been. Chrysalis was just a little too pale for this one. And I'm just going through and randomly placing these flowers all over. This is an older bundle monster plate. But they had great basic designs on them, and I love them. I'm keeping them. They work great. Just because they're out of stock doesn't mean I can't use them. But it's to show you the concept. A lot of times if I'm using bundle monster stuff, it's just to give you an idea. You can find something similar. And if you're not used to searching on Maniology's website, you can go in and type in daisies, and it'll pull up every plate that has daisies. You can type in moon, and it'll pull up every plate that they have available that has a moon on it. So it's not hard to find something similar. Let me know what you think about this one. I thought it came out super cute. It's even good really to kind of transition into fall, but I liked it. I like the colors. It just, it's not a huge punchy in your face mani, but it's still cute. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you use this technique on shorter nails yourself, and how it worked out for you. As always, there's another video. If you click in the upper right hand corner, you can check out. And if you have questions or comments, please leave them below. I always answer in the first 24 hours. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.